Hi again. Today we'll be learning how to mint NFTs to different blockchains using the GenaDrop minter. And to demonstrate, we'll be minting our first NFT collection to Algorand blockchain using this simple minter. Also, this video assumes you've learned how to set up your wallet on any of our supported blockchains. If not, please kindly watch the video on how to set up a Web3 wallet on any of our supported blockchains, or simply refer to GenaDrop docs on how to create a wallet. And that being said, let's proceed to minting our first collection. And first, we connect our wallet just like so. As you can see, I'm connected on the Algorand blockchain. This is my wallet address. I can click on it or disconnect if I want to. I'm not going to do that. I already set up my wallet. That was why it's connected automatically. So there's basically two ways to upload your files to GenaDrop Minter. You can either click on Browse and select whatever file you want to, whatever image file you want to, or you drag and drop. So for this demonstration, I think I'll be dragging and dropping the zip file like I downloaded from the GenaDrop Create app. So yeah, it's in. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to mint the whole of 2000 arts collections we generated previously from the GenaDrop Create app. I've reduced this to like 5 art collections so that it's easier to mint and you can like see the whole demo. Like everything will be faster that way. So let's just input demo just like a random description, but you get the idea. So for the price, let's say 1 USD, which is 1.33 algo. So this will be the floor price for the collections. So yeah, and click on mint. It's not going to take much time before it's minted. Then you can also like look it up on Algorand Explorer. Okay, let's give it a little bit time. Before now, you have to make sure that you have the Para Algo app on your phone set up, because you're definitely going to get a notification to confirm a transaction or this transaction we're about to take. So I already have it on my phone and it's open. So I'm waiting for a pop-up that GenaDrop will create so that I can be able to like confirm the transaction from my phone. So it's preparing assets for me. Okay, that's the pop-up. Please check wallet to confirm transaction. Yeah, I can press OK. And then the notification pops up on my mobile phone. You can't see it right now, but I can. So I'm going to click on confirm and accept. So yeah, it's finalizing. Yeah, they will have it. You've successfully minted your NFTs. So this to confirm, you can either copy this or you can just simply click on this icon to view on the Algorand Explorer. So that is what I'm going to do. I clicked yeah. Okay, yeah, it's loaded up. So as we can see, this is my wallet address LZFTBLP. Okay, this is exactly the same wallet I minted with LZFTBL. So yeah, that is how to mint your collection using GenaDrop Minter. And you can equally do this is the same flow for, or maybe you wanted to mint one of ones. This is exactly the same flow. And I minted using the Algorand testnet. So yeah, thank you for watching.